Morning children. Today we are going to learn about AM and PM. AM and PM. Okay. Here AM is the short form of anti-meridian. AM is the short form of anti-meridian. It starts counting from 12 midnight to 12 noon. Start counting from 12 midnight to 12 noon. After 12 midnight, we can say that it is AM. And next is PM. PM is the short form of post meridian. PM is the short form of post meridian. It starts from 12 noon to 12 midnight. It starts from 12 noon to 12 midnight. Once again, AM is anti-meridian. It starts from 12 midnight and ends at 12 noon. PM is post-meridian. It starts at 12 noon and ends at 12 midnight. Understood? It's the separation of a day, 24 hours divided as AM and PM. You are getting up 7 o'clock in the morning. Is it AM or PM? How you will write? 7 o'clock morning. Anybody can say, is it AM or PM? AM begins from 12 midnight and ends at 12 noon. So this morning time is what? AM. So it is 7 AM. 7 AM. 7 anti-meridian. Okay? 7 AM. You are getting the videos in the evening. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock in the evening. Is it AM or PM? 5 o'clock in the evening. Evening time is 5 PM. Okay. Post meridian. Full form is post meridian. Always we are writing AM and PM only. Always we are writing AM and PM only. The full form is anti-meridian and PM is post meridian. Okay. So the morning time is AM and the evening time is PM. You are going to sleep at 9 o'clock at night. Is it AM or PM? Night time. Night time. Very good. It is PM. Night is PM. Okay. Your mother gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning to cook food. 5 o'clock in the morning. So is it AM or PM? Very good. It is AM. You understood now? AM and PM? Okay. 12 midnight it starts the AM till 12 noon. The AM time full it is morning. Evening time PM is divided as afternoon, evening and midnight. PM is divided as afternoon, evening and night. Afternoon starts after 12 noon, its afternoon starts. Till 3 o'clock, we are telling it as afternoon. When it reaches 4 onwards, we are telling it's evening. And night, when it gets dark, we are using the word night. You all know that, isn't it? Morning, afternoon, evening and night. And what else we have learned? AM and PM. AM is the short form of anti-meridian. PM is the short form of post-meridian. What will be the time of 2 hours after 2 hours after 6 AM? What will be the time 2 hours after 6 a.m. 6 a.m. means a.m. morning. Okay. 2 hours after 6 a.m. Have to add 2 with 6. 6 after 1 hour, 6 after 7, 7 after 8. 6 after 7, 7 after 8. So what will be the time? 2 hours after 6 a.m. 8 a.m. Understood? Okay. Now 3 hours after 11 a.m. 11 a.m. 3 hours after 11 a.m. What will be the time? How to calculate 3 hours after 11. Starting with 11. 11 after 12. 12 after 13. 13 after 14. So, the starting time 3 hours after. We are not counting 13 and 14 in time. Only in the railway time you can see that 13 and 14. So we are counting it as 12. Then 12 after. What's the time when we are telling? After 12 we are having 1. Then after again 2. Okay. So we have 3 hours after 11 a.m. means it is 2. 2 means is it AM or PM? After 12 it is, what is that? PM. So it is 3 hours after 12. 3 hours after 11 AM is 2 PM. 2 PM. Okay? 3 hours after 11 AM is 2 PM. 11 after 12. 12 after time is 1 we are counting. 1 after 2. So 3 hours after 11 AM is 2 PM. 40 minutes after 8 AM. What's the time? Very good. 8:40. 8:40. When we are writing the time, we have to put the 2 dots. So 8:40 AM or PM? Here it was AM, so only 40 minutes after. So it is 8 AM. Okay. One more question. 30 minutes after 11:30. 11:30 AM. 30 minutes after 11:30 AM. How will you calculate? After 11:30, 30 minutes more. 30 minutes more. So we have to add these minutes together. Minutes. 30 plus 30. How many minutes? 30 plus 30? 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to very good, 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So what will be the time? 11:30 after 30 minutes is 1 hour after 11. 1 hour after 11. What is 1 hour after 11? After 1 hour, 12. So it is 12 noon. It is 12 noon. So when you get minutes to add, have to add only the minutes together. Here we have added 30 minutes and 30 minutes. We get 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So after 1 hour, 1 hour after 11 is 1 hour after 11 is 12. That is 12 noon. Question. 4 hours after 4 hours after 10:30. 4 hours after 10:30. What is the time? 4 hours after 10:30. After 10, 10 after 11, 11 after 12, 12 after we are reading the time as 1. Then again 1 after 2. 4 hours. 4 hours. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what's the time? Is it 2 o'clock or 2:30? We are asked to after 10:30. So, it is, the time is 2:30. Time is 2:30. Here we can write 11:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, then 2:30. Our time is 9:40. This is minutes plus 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Here are some minutes. Here are some minutes. Okay. So 40 minutes plus 50 minutes is equal to how many minutes? 90 minutes. Okay. 90 minutes. 90 minutes. We have to divide it as hour and minutes. 90 minutes is equal to how many hour and how many minutes can you say? The minutes we are counting as only up to 50, 55. After that we are the next hour starts. That means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So, in 90, how many minutes are remaining after 60 minutes? 30. 30 minutes. 30 plus 60 is 90. 30 plus 60 is 90. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So, we have to add this 9 and 1. 9 and 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10, 30, 10:30 a.m. The time is 10:30 a.m. Understood? We have to add only the minutes. Here is no hour is given. That's why we can add only the minutes. 40 plus 50 you are getting 90 minutes. 90 minutes you have to divide it as 60 minutes and 30 minutes. Because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. That 1 hour we are added with this 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. And this 30 minutes we have to write as it is. So the time is 10:30 a.m. Children, I hope you understood. Okay? When you do the exercises in the textbook, you will understand more. So in the previous class also we have learned o'clock and we have learned to this is 6:15. This is 6:30. This is 6:45. This is 7 o'clock. Okay. Some of them were having the doubts when we are doing the exercises. When you see the time like this is what you have to say? 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 minutes past 7. The time is 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 minutes past 7. Okay. Then the time here. Let me keep it here. Can you say what is the time here? Here we are using 2. Here we are using 2. When you are doing that, we have to count from here 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 minutes to 8. We have to say the time that 20 minutes to 8. After this 6, if the minute hand is going, we have to start counting from this side. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 minutes to 8 we have to say. Okay? Don't worry about this. This you will be learning in the 4th standard also. Okay children, I hope you understood. Thank you.